Hi guys, welcome to watch Leo and Tech. Today I'm gonna review the robotic vacuum cleaner by iLife. See how big this thing is? Here's a vacuum cleaner, controller, charging station, charging cable, filter and different brush heads. First, let's apply the side brush onto the robot. Simply pressing the side brush onto it. Same to the other side. It comes with two major brush heads. This one's more for wooden floor. This one's more for carpet. My studio is all carpet, so I'll put this on. The dustbin is located on the back of the robot. Simply press down and slide out. Open up this door, you can pour out the dust. Lift up the blue part to replace the filter. You can control this robot by using the buttons on the panel, using the controller, or download apps on your smartphone. Let me show you how to use the app on your smartphone. To turn on the Wi-Fi, long press. Now the Wi-Fi is on. Okay, let's open up iLife Robot. Click Add, A7. After it's connected, confirm not online. You can also schedule your cleanings on the app. Click Add Planning. You can pick the time for the robot to start cleaning and choose how frequent you want to repeat all the cleaning service. Press the start button or enter auto mode. When the robot finishes cleaning an area, it will move along the walls to the next section. Path mode leads the robot to move in an S-shaped route to make sure it covers all the area. Spot mode is designed to deep clean specific areas. The robot will move in a swirly route. Max mode increases the suction power to achieve deeper cleaning. You can switch between high and low. Edge mode cleans the edges and corners specifically. When battery is low, the robot will return to the charging dock automatically. Press the home button will trigger the same action. Let's see how it works within my studio. I'm tearing up some tissues to see if the robot can pick them up. Let's check out the dustbin now. Wow, a lot of dust and tissues. Thank you for watching Leo and Tech. I'll see you next time with some cool stuff.